So after all this big hullabaloo that almost mashed up the Flow Super Cup final, after this thing caused friend to turn enemy and enemy to turn friend, after almost 2 weeks of hell and powder house, sparked by a disallowed goal in the Super Cup semi-final that caused some emotions to spill over at the end of the game, after almost locking down the country, it has all come down to the 2 members of the Jamaica College management and coaching staff being ordered to apologize in writing to the referees and ensure it doesn't happen again and blah, 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 for gesticulating and talking too loud. And look, we're not joking out the thing, but it's a joke. This is foolishness. This is nothing but an exercise in appeasement to calm down somebody's ego. And I'm going to demonstrate how this thing is foolishness. According to the original accusations, the referees in question were intimidated and threatened. So may I say, if the referees were intimidated and threatened, this is Jamaica, that the police and courthouse and prison business, especially since individuals were identified. Quiet apologies don't work with intimidation and threats. It's either somebody was telling lie or they were significantly exaggerating. And now that Eastern Disciplinary Committee heard the other side of the story, them just say apologize for a peaceful life. But I don't agree with this apology business. Not in a case like this. If the Jamaica College people in question were not guilty as charged of intimidation and issuing threats, if they're not guilty, them innocent. That coming like a woman says she half pregnant. Yes, she half pregnant, so she will give birth in 4.5 months. Yes, that is what is given. And look, I said that without any apology. Foolishness!